Welcome friends, welcome to Polish Mama Cooks. Today I would like to show you something from traditional Polish cuisine, to be exact from Wielkopolska, and it's called Gzik. Gzik is farmer's cheese with some radish, with some chives, usually used on a potato, but what I would like to show you today is how to prepare it for breakfast. Basically what you're gonna need is some farmer's cheese that you're just gonna mash with your fork. You want to start by chopping 6 to 8 radishes. Next is just mash with your fork all the cheese. Add 3 big tablespoons of Greek yogurt and mix it all. Then add some salt and some pepper, and then about tablespoon of chives, and I have here 6 radishes that I chopped. For now I'm just gonna put half of it in. Finish up, use some butter and put it on your bread. You don't have to use butter. Then put some cheese on top of your bread and then finish it up with a drizzle of your radishes and chives, and then add a cucumber. Beautiful. And now it's time to try it. I love that. It's a fresh start for every day. You can taste the radish, the chives. It just goes beautifully together. I hope you enjoyed my recipe for Gzik. Please leave me a comment, give me thumbs up for more Polish and sometimes not so Polish recipes. Please consider subscribing. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.